This 2015 Itasca Viva 23B is a Class B plus RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 23 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, spare tire kit, water heater, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, self-contained, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features Mid Bunk rear bath. This 2015 Itasca Viva 23B is built on a Ram Promaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.